Hey guys, so welcome. This is how to change password on WhatsApp. So, if you ever want to do this, first thing is just simply go open up the WhatsApp application into your device. Now, over here, just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now, from here, just simply go ahead and go through the settings at the very bottom of the pop-up. Now, over here, just simply go for the account. Here on the account, as you can see, you should be able to see a bunch of options. The important thing here is passkeys. So tap on passkey and you should be able to see here your passkey. So you could just simply select the three dots over here and you could just simply delete them. And as you can see, when you delete your passkey, you won't be able to use it. So just simply delete it for a while. And now you can just simply select create passkey again in order for you to change your password. And from here, just simply select continue. And after that, just simply verify that it is you. And now you should be able to create your new passkey. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.